Welcome back to Vegan Sing. Today we're veganizing the Mexican pizza from Taco Bell, which I used to love when I was a kid. I love it so much. Enough said, let's get started. Ayo chaliye. There's 4 steps to the perfect Mexican pizza. Tostadas, beans, sauce, and cheese. That's it, super simple. In making the tostadas, we're taking store-bought vegan flour tortillas and frying them on both sides on medium heat. We're not going to over fry because they'll be cooking later in the oven anyway. For the black beans, I'm taking some canola oil and putting it into a pan, about 2 tablespoons. Once the oil heats up, we'll add in some cumin, which has a good balance of sweetness and bitterness, which is a great add to the beans. Drop in minced red onions and garlic. Time for the main event, the black beans. These black beans were canned, which I drained to get rid of any excess sodium, and then just drop them in. Time to mash the black beans so we get the desired refried bean texture. Splash in some water, it'll make the mashing a lot easier. Bam bam, oregano, and some cayenne pepper. Another splash of water to help all the spices come together and absorb into the beans. We'll keep cooking until we get the desired consistency. Let's build some Mexican pizzas. Tostadas, beans, sauce, and cheese. So let's go ahead and spread the bean paste onto the tostada. Then we'll add another tostada on top. Crunch! Taco Bell's hot sauce, my favorite. Note to self, need to unwrap to use hot sauce. Bottoms up. Trying the hot sauce, it's just perfect. What's their secret? So good. Drop in some vegan cheddar, and then we'll throw this in the oven for 10 minutes at 400 degrees. Garnish with green onions. Man, vegan cheese is not the same as normal cheese, but they're giving it their best effort for sure. I'm gonna just cut this. Woo, that looks good. All right, this looks so amazing. Let's give it a bite. Dab of hot sauce for good luck. Let's do it. This was so good, just like how I remembered. See you on the next one. Have a great day.